Hello there and welcome to this channel. I hope you're doing well. Well, this video actually is my walkthrough in part exchanging the two basses behind me, the Sire Fretless and the Musicman 3 EQ for a brand new bass. A little bit later on in this video I'll be revealing what the bass is going to be. We'll be picking it up tomorrow. So, if you're a home studio owner, if you are a bass player or musician, then hopefully there's going to be plenty of videos that are going to be able to help you along, and maybe this channel is just right for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon, and be great to get a like as well. Also, when I do the big reveal, if you've got any comments on the bass, that'd be fantastic. Or maybe if you want me to do a run through with regard to playing the bass, different tone kind of configurations that you would like me to do a demonstration on, please leave your comments below and I will be happy to oblige. Well, I suppose I better start packing these babies away. I'll speak to you very soon. Okay, so here we are. It's Sunday and here's the big bass reveal. Okay, let me just open this up. So what did I get? There you have it. So a Fender Jazz, and it's the 60's original. So the two basses went in against this one. I bought the bass from GAK, although I did go to Andertons, and to be honest, I think customer service from both is really good, so would highly recommend both kind of music stores. I think with regard to Andertons, they have got almost like a booth where the basses are, so you can shut the door and practice to your heart's content and kind of test various kind of basses, which I think is really good. I think the sales teams from both shops are really good. I have to say that I think the guys at GAK are probably a little bit more chilled out. Maybe the guys at Andertons are a little bit more enthused, but hey, in essence, I think from both music stores you're going to get a really good service. It's just that on this occasion, GAK was able to give me a slightly better rate for the part exchange on the two basses than Andertons, so they kind of lost out on this occasion, but I've used both extensively. Okay, we also get a hard case with this particular bass. The outside of the case is very similar, if not identical, to the one I got with the American standard P bass, except for the insides are slightly different. It's like a red velvet effect, which is really nice. Let me open that up. We also get with the bass, obviously, some marketing pamphlet, a certificate of authenticity, and also this nice little bag. So within here we have got, if I wanted to, we've got the chrome pardon me, we've got the chrome covers, which is fantastic. So there you have it. So that's the case. So it's really, I've also, I bought in store a just a soft bag as well, because it's likely that the soft bag is going to be used, unfortunately. But yeah, a great hard case that comes with the guitar as well. So what I'm going to do now, or what I will do in forthcoming videos, I'll obviously take you through this bass and give you a lot of demos in terms of the various tones and that you can get out of this bass. So I'm really chuffed with it. It's really nice. Probably the colour choice I would have ideally liked to have gone for is that very pale blue colour. I think they call it Sonic Blue. I can't quite remember. But hey, in this kind of white vintage, it's almost like a cream. It's not a brilliant white. It's almost like a creamy white. It looks really nice as well. Two basses have gone, and this is the new bass to add to this American standard P bass that I've got behind me. Okay, so with regard to the bass in terms of how it's set up, I think there's plenty of YouTube videos that will take you through how the bass is put together. In effect, I think they've used very much 60's vintage parts to actually construct this bass. So we've got vintage tuners that are reverse tuners. There's 64 pickups in here, but if you check out some of the videos, Empire do a really good video with regard to take you through the whole kind of bass and how it's put together. So I'll let those videos kind of explain the bass, but I will put a link in for you to kind of click on. So what you're going to expect from myself is, yes, I'm going to be doing some demos on this bass. But what I'd like to do is to do demos in a recording environment. So I've got a number of tracks in the studio that do need bass at the minute. Some that have got more of a vintage vibe, but you'll just see that I'm not going to use this bass, I'm going to use my P bass. Others that I think the jazz bass will actually sound fantastic on. So what I would like to do is demo the bass by actually bringing it into a recording session. So in that process, you'll get to listen to the song, maybe some of my thoughts in terms of the kind of way I'm going to play each track, and then hopefully that will demo the you know, the bass itself and the things that it can do. So that's really what's kind of planned. That's coming up at the minute. But by all means, please leave a comment if there's anything else that you would like to know about this bass, different tonal kind of ideas, or different tones that you would like me to kind of play with this bass. Then yeah, just send a comment, and I'll probably do some of those videos as well. You know, I'll probably do some demos of what this bass can really do. Okay, so let's wrap this up. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments below, and please give us a like, and I'll see you very soon.